What is everyone? This is Motorals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the GTA 5 error code that you may be getting, error mem embedded alloc guard 1. So let's get around to it. So if you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is to go to your settings in Rockstar Launcher and disable BattlEye that you're seeing over here, and then try to turn the game back on and see if that fixes it for you. If this doesn't fix it for you, the next thing is if you're trying to play this from Steam or Epic Games Launcher or wherever, where there's basically the verify integrity of game file section, pretty much go into that, right click into the game, go to properties and do verify integrity of game files. It's basically going to make sure nothing got deleted or corrupted, like from a game file perspective, that's causing this issue or error to occur. The next thing to do if this doesn't work is to go to your search bar and type in like advanced system settings, where you see view advanced system settings pop up. In here, click into the advanced tab, click under performance the settings tab, click into the advanced tab inside of this specific one and change the virtual memory that you're seeing here. First, uncheck automatically manage this one, and then in here pretty much start doing a custom size, and don't do system manage basically, and then choose the highest size that you can over here and set that pretty much whatever it ends up being. Like, you need to pretty much know what your available size is for your virtual memory. Once you do this, you should restart your computer and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, gun channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorals out. Peace.